Okay, hi guys, welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells. And if you're new to my channel, so then I pause. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And I am Victoria. Okay, so for today, we're going to do actually a review on certain very affordable makeup, which I got from Essence. So if you want to know what are my thoughts on this Essence cosmetic thing going on, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started. Okay guys, let me tell you a story. I keep on looking at the monitor just because I'm trying a new setting for the camera and I want to see how it actually is. But yeah, let's do this. So I just adjusted it and I'm not so sure how. Well, anyway, we'll see it during editing. If you see this video, then I was happy with how this guy actually performed. So moving on, I've always been a fan of Essence Cosmetics. I love their bloggers collection, which I actually got all the 4 palettes, and unfortunately I have to let it go. So I was able to purchase some more items recently and I'm wearing all it today, if you can see. So let's start with what's on my eyes. I've never used a eyeshadow primer before. This is actually my first time trying the I Love Color Intensifying eyeshadow primer, and this is how it looks like. I'll be inserting things on how this when I was applying it, and what do I actually think about it. It did help intensify the color and actually make it last. I don't know. Okay, let's go nearer, Victoria. It actually made my eyeshadow colors pop, and yeah, I'm happy with it because actually this is my first time trying it. So I'll try it with other eyeshadows that I actually own. So I'll see whether, but first impression wise, I do like it. And on my eyes, my eyeshadow, I'm using this Essence In Love with Rose. This is actually how it looks like. When you open it up, it actually has this very funny layout, which is actually like this. Okay, I like how this eyeshadows looking on my eyelids, but the funny thing is it only has 1, 2, 3, 4 matte shades, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmers. I don't have anything against shimmers, but I think I already have so much shimmer going on. And pigmentation wise, I do like this. The shimmers are very shimmery, and it was easy to apply. If you can see, these are the colors. They're so pretty, they're so vibrant, they're so pigmented. If you're swatching them, how I wish I can say the same thing if you're putting it on your eyelids. You do have to build them up, keep on building them up. It's kind of chunky, but once you get the hang of it, they do yeah, they're beautiful, but you just have to get through the powderiness, the chunkiness. For the shimmers, I didn't use Fix Plus or water to intensify it. This is just by using a brush and using my fingers. Moving on to what's on my face. I've used the Luminous Matte Bronzing Powder. This is how it looks like. And when you actually open it up, this is how Yeah, it's this dual pop thing because of the lights. That's why you can't see. So there's this like outer ring, and then there's this inner circle. The outer ring is a different, a bit darker color, and the inner one is the lighter shade. Okay, I like this. So now thinking back, I was like, did it come in a darker shade? Because for somebody whose skin tone as me, it actually doesn't show up. I'll show you. So if I do get the brush and I swirl, okay, tap off the excess and do this, it does show a bit, but you do have to build it up. You keep on building it up. I can see this now because I can see from the lights. So if you're those type of person who likes to wear their makeup, if you want subtle, okay, then this is the bronzer for you. It's actually matte, but it does give you this like shine. I'm not even so sure how it's happening, but it's actually very pretty if you do blend it. Then next is the Matte Touch blush. I have two, which is in Peach Me Up, and the one is Rose Me Up. Okay, Peach Me Up is like very light, but it does give you this hint of color. I like Rose Me Up just because I'm just into this type of color for my blush. I just like a very hint of like color, because it's really up to you how much you want it to be pigmented and all, but for me, I prefer this type of color on my face. Very neutral, natural thing. I'm using Peach Me Up. Okay, just tap. It's kind of powdery, but it is matte. Let's just give this. Can you actually see it? Other thing that I put on my face to like put it. Before I forgot. I also use on my eyes for my eyelashes is the Volume Stylist 18-hour Lash Extension Mascara. This is actually how it looks like. And the wand is like big. Okay, I like this mascara because it did give my eyelashes the length that I need, held up the curl. But what I don't like about it, it did give my, like, made my eyelashes like clump up, if it makes sense. Product that I actually use is, to set all this, is the All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder. I like this because I've been wearing this makeup for quite a few hours now. I've been filming videos and I haven't even touched up like a single time. I didn't blot my face. Like, I just keep on filming. Usually every time I film a certain thing, I would stop and then I would touch up my makeup. But today, I actually didn't. I was not a very oily mess. Usually, I'll be oily at this part, right? At this part, and sometimes at this. But today, I felt like, actually I didn't. So what I actually did is get a big fluffy brush, swirl it around, tap the excess, and then just lightly, see now I'm touching up, lightly dust your face with it. I use this like as a finishing powder. It doesn't give you this powdery look. I'll be using this on a daily basis starting from now on because I do like it. And then after which, you can actually take your favorite setting spray and just spray and make sure that you dry it off by taking a handy fan. And that's it. And on my lips, I forgot. How can I forget the lipsticks, people? I have this Ultra Lip Last lipsticks. I got 3. Number 7. Number 7, if you can see it. And of course, this review will not be complete if I don't try it on. Number 7. So this is number 7. It's this pinky mauve thing of lipstick. Number 14. This is number 14. So this is 14. Let us try it on. The thing I like about this is you actually can just use a tissue and wipe it off. I'm not wearing any lip balm underneath it now. But when I was like using it, my lips feel dry just because my lips are already dry. But it didn't make it worse. Number 14. I do like this color just because it's this dark reddish brown color, but still it's not too intense that you can't wear it every day. So I like this color, and this is number 14. Last but not the least is number 16. This is number 16. Can you see it? Yeah, number 16. And let's try it on. This is number 16. It's a little bit darker mauve color, if there's such a thing. I do like this lipsticks just because it feels hydrating, and the price is, I think this is less than $6, or maybe it's just $5 Sing dollars, but it does give your lips this moisture. I was not wearing any lip balm underneath it all throughout when I was trying the lipsticks, and my lips doesn't feel dry. Actually, it feels moisturized. Only when I removed the lipstick just now, then I felt like, oh, my lips are dry. But while wearing them, it's not. You feel comfortable. It's not sticky, but it is creamy, and you do feel that you are wearing lipstick. Let me know at the comment section if you have tried any Essence products, because Essence Cosmetics, they're affordable. Although it could be a hit and miss at times, but I do love them. I try to buy as much as when they come up with new things in my Watson's area, I would do actually buy and try them, and I love this. I love what I found. I'm excited for the eyeshadow primer. I'm also kind of excited for this because it does give you this like very subtle, like light touch of color to your face, which I would be using. And of course, the mascara is my favorite because it does give me like length, and it is nice. Okay, so now my eyes are itchy just because I do have sensitive eyes, and I have to get this makeup off now. If you do like this type of video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and please hit that notification bell just in case you want to be notified whenever I upload videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays. So, till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!